Hello friends, quite a few people have asked me to make a video on how to file an RTI application. Actually there is quite some material available on this topic over internet. Uh, so there is not really a requirement of me making a full-fledged video about how to file an RTI application and so on. But one thing that possibly I can add which might help a few people, which is, you don't ask questions in your RTI application. That is not what constitute information. So for example, the questions such as why person X was appointed on some position, etc., is not asked in not a valid information as per the definition of information of RTI Act. So what do you really ask through RTI is documents which is available on paper form or electronic form, PDF files, videos and so on, which are used for decision making or minutes of certain meeting or the agenda item which led to certain decisions and so on. So basically you ask records through RTI application. So that is how you should ask your you should frame your queries, what information you want. So first analyze what really you want, and you analyze that what are the documents available regarding the information that you are interested in, and you ask the certified copy of those documents. So this is something that you should analyze, why, how, when. Questions such as, mainly, you can certainly ask the dates, etc., even if the documents are not available, like for example when the decision was taken, things like that. But primarily, like question why is not, what you can ask that, for example, like the provide the minutes of the meeting where order was passed to appoint some person on certain position and so on. So that is what you do through RTI, and it takes quite a time and quite some thinking to frame your queries, because mostly it has been seen that authorities, they try to hide information, especially those information which is not convenient to them. They try to hide, so you have to be intelligent enough to dig out proper information which can possibly then be used in some way or the other. So that is all about RTI. I don't have much to add. There are so much information available about RTIs over internet, and there are quite some group also, Facebook groups, where you can join and you can ask your specific queries. Possibly some member would respond to it, and you can use those information while filing your RTI. Thank you.